Right now on Earth, we have told you before that there is a heavy field of noise around your globe. This noise controls and affects every human being on Earth. It affects the Mother Earth herself, animals, all flowers, trees, vegetables, etc. This is a heavy, noisy field that we are working to transform and eliminate, so the silence will pass through and bring peace to Earth and to every creature that lives here. Begin to acknowledge and understand this silence spirit, because it will help us that you, human beings, feel it in your heart and long for it. Then it will get more power to pass through this barrier of noise that holds you back or brings you down as a whole nation. The silent spirit will help to set you free, so try to remember it. Try to feel it in your intelligent heart, because it is there for you, and it is no longer your path that you are separated. The noise field is something you can choose to reject by following your intelligent heart, because inside this heart the silent spirit connects with you, and through this intelligent heart you're able to reach out to the other side of the noise field and feel the silence, feel the spirit of love. When your awareness tries to get through the noise field, you meet this barrier that you hear in your physical ear. So it is your awareness that keep trying to push back the noise, to grab or reach out for the light that lays behind the noise field. No one gets through the noise field without using their intelligent heart. No one. It's a barrier that controls you and keep you separated from your inner soul, your inner light, your inner heart. While you're living under this barrier, you are told how your heart should react, so you don't know your really true heart center yet. So now you see the importance of working for developing your intelligent heart center. It helps us get through and eliminate this barrier of noise. Det er det, du vil sige. Tak.